I'm Tim Johnson with Shop Tool Reviews. We're here at the FLEX booth at SEMA Show 2019, and we're looking at some really exciting stuff that FLEX has going on. Now, FLEX is a known name in the industry. They make really great detailing tools, and one of the things they're showing is the C Beast, in other words, the Cordless Beast. So the same technology that's in what they're calling their new Beast, which is the XCE model forced rotation unit, now we have it in a cordless unit. So in their proven 18-volt system, and by the way, FLEX owns the technology in the batteries as well as the tool, so they know how to communicate between the brushless motor, the controls, as well as the battery. So that's going to give you a much more efficient tool, and you're going to get 30 to 45 minutes runtime on this tool. So in one 5 amp hour 18-volt battery, you're going to get that 30 to 45 minutes runtime with that forced rotation. So you're going to get the same forced rotation as their corded model. So from this part forward, this tool is no different. Getting the same 8mm forced rotation, you got your 5-inch backing plate, you're getting the venting of the motor, actually venting all the air through the system, through the mechanisms here, and the transmission, if you will, the planetaries here in the head, and then venting the air out right across the top of this pad and onto the surface of the vehicle that you're polishing on. So no cord to deal with. And let's talk about a couple of things in that. So number one, no cord, you don't have to worry about plugging it in. Number two, what we've noticed is a lot of the pros have gone to actually using that for leverage. In other words, still cupping the hand on the front side and keeping it level, and then able to literally just kind of place their hand back here. They don't have to worry about a pigtail of a cord hanging over the edge of a vehicle, and just keeping the pad nice and level on the panel as they go. So great idea here. I also like how FLEX has actually turned that battery 90 degrees where the head of that battery is not kind of hanging down close to the panel of the car. So you can see here with the pad how much distance we have from the panel of the car to the battery. One of the additional benefits of a cordless unit is stuff like we're here now, a car show, where you may not have power run everywhere, but now the cordless tool gives you the ability, wherever you're at, maybe you're out in the middle of a field at a car show, still able to polish on your vehicle. And as you're using the tool, and maybe you've been using it a long time, you can easily check the battery level indicator there, and it's going to tell you quickly kind of how much charge you've got left in the battery. And if you're getting the kit, you get 2 of these 5 amp hour batteries, so you can quickly just, maybe you get halfway down, you can go ahead and swap that battery out. It's got a smart charger. It's actually going to handle and actually take the temperature of this battery, take several other indicators of the battery, and be able to smartly and efficiently charge the battery as quick as possible without hurting those cells. Again, big benefit of having a company that actually manufactures the battery as well as the tool. So you also get the stainless steel mesh intake here, so that's going to keep everything from product fling to wool particles, things coming off the pad, keep that from actually entering into the motor area or into the tool itself. So that's going to block that out, and you can clean those out, vacuum those out as you need to. Really great tool. Again, this is the XCE, and it's their cordless unit, so make sure you check that out. You can find them at flexnorthamerica.com. Also keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Have a great day.